Welcome to Hijazi Digital Network. The Kids Educational System held its annual prize distribution ceremony on Tuesday in the school premises.
It's such an exciting day, Abdullah. We have already seen some amazing performances and now it's time to take the energy even higher. Are you ready? Let's hear some applause. That's the spirit now. It's time for incredible performance by the boys of class 2 and
'Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care if you wanna tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky of stars, in the sun. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready? He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father, I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky of stars, in the sun. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. These are the nights that never die. My father told me, you're so sky.